In this class I am going to explain third form of if statement. Okay, the first form is a simple if the condition is true, the statements under if statement are executed. The second form is if condition else, if condition is true, if block is executed, otherwise else block is executed. The third form is if then else if and finally else. Okay, if then else if and finally else. If the condition is true, it executes the statements under if, otherwise it again check the condition, again it check the condition else if, again it check the condition else if it is true it executes the statement, otherwise it checks again else if condition, and finally if no condition is satisfied, then it executes the else block. If no condition is satisfied, it executes the else block. First if it check the if condition, then it is true, only if block is executed, otherwise it checks next else if condition, next else if, and finally else block. Okay, if the condition is true in any else if, the statements under else if block are executed, otherwise the else if what is executed. Okay, so the syntax of this one is if condition, then statements, else if condition, statement, finally else. We can write multiple condition in a single if statement, multiple else if blocks, as many as in program. Okay, so if condition, then statements, else if condition, statements, else, statements, and if. Okay, the condition is true, only this block is executed, it skips the execution of this one. Okay, the condition is not true, again it checks else if that is true it executes, if that is true it executes. Okay, if it is also not true, again it checks else if condition, if it is also not true, then it executes else block. Okay, so the example is if number greater than 0, then message box positive number, else if number greater than 0, then message box negative number. Okay, first if condition, the statements, and second if statement, and the last one is else. If these two are not true, first if is not true and second if not true, then else block is executed. Like that we can write as many number of statements as we need in the program. Now I will show you one program on this multiple if statements. Okay, this also we can call it as if else ladder. Okay, if else ladder. Here I am taking this one. Okay, so I am taking one text box. Go here, this clear one. I am taking one label. Here, enter any number. Make this auto size is true. Okay, close this one. So here I am writing num as integer, num is equals to val of text 1 dot text. Okay, if number greater than 0, then message box positive. Okay, else if number less than 0, then message box negative. Okay, else, finally I am writing else message box 0. Okay, So first if condition, if number is greater than 0, then it is a positive. If it is less than 0, then it is a negative, else it is a 0. Right, I am executing this one. I am giving here 5. Just click command button. Okay, cool. Second, close this if block with end if. Okay, right. Run this one. 15, then see the output positive. I am giving minus 5, then see the output negative. I am giving this 0, then it is a 0. Okay, 15 is a positive and 0, it is a 0 value. So when we are giving 15, first it check the condition, right? See, if number greater than 0, yes, 15 greater than 0 means it is a positive. Okay. Once this is executed, it skips this block, entire else if and else block. Okay, it comes out from the program. Here I am giving this minus, for example, 10. Okay, so when we execute this negative means first it checks whether the number is greater than 0. No, it executes this next statement. The control jumps to the next if statement. If number less than 0, yes, minus 10 is less than 0, then display the output negative and it comes out from the program. Okay, so if we give 0, now see the result, that is 0 means if it is greater than 0, no. If it is less than 0, no. Else means if these two are not true means the else block is executed. Okay, 0. Okay, okay, thank you.